Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT in 25 days. Under this, we'll be covering all the topics of CSAT course in 25 days. This is day 4. In this class, we'll be dealing with remainder topic. Let's understand basics of remainder. See, whenever we divide a number with another number, say 10 divided by 4, so what we do? So 4 10 4 2s are 8, so we get a remainder 2 here. So this is what? This is a remainder 10. 2 is called quotient, then 4 is called divisor, and 10 is called dividend. And if we want, we can write, say, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. दिस इज फॉर्मूला यूपीएससी के लिए सीसैट पेपर के लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है फॉर्मूला एसएससी वगैरह में इस फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं बट we just need common understanding. See here, dividend is, in above example, dividend is 10. 10 is divisor, that is 4, into quotient is 2 plus remainder, that is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. This is simple understanding of क्या. Now in this topic we will be dealing with a remainder. So ये remainder के बारे में अच्छे से पढ़ लेते हैं. So first, before going into remainder, let's understand few facts about remainder. So put a note and write, that is, say, first fact is remainder can never be negative. Can never be negative. कभी रिमाइंडर नेगेटिव हो ही नहीं सकता. या तो 0 होगा, या तो 1 होगा, 2 होगा, 3 होगा, सो ऑन. नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. देन रिमाइंडर is always less than divisor. डिवाइजर से हमेशा कम ही होगा. अब देखो अबव एग्जांपल में से डिवाइजर हियर इज 4, रिमाइंडर इज 2. हमेशा 4 से कम ही होगा. जैसे 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं किसी भी नंबर को, से 10 को 5 से डिवाइड कर रहा है, तो रिमाइंडर हमेशा 5 से कम ही होगा किसी भी नंबर को. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट विथ एग्जांपल. सी 5, 10 को 5 से वी आर डिवाइडिंग इट, सो 5 into 2 is 10, so remainder is 0. Then 5, we are dividing 11 with 5, so 11, 5 2s are 10, so remainder is 1. अब देखो 5 से कम है. See 5, 12 को डिवाइड करो. See 5 2s are 10, remainder is 2. 5, 13, 5 2s are 10, remainder is 3. 5, 14, so 5 2s are 10, remainder is 4. See 5 divide it with 15, 5 3s are 15, remainder is 0. 5 divide it with 16, see 5 3s are 15, remainder is 1. फिर से 1 आ गया. So always 5 से कम ही होगा. So किसी भी नंबर को 5 से डिवाइड कर लो. 5 से किसी भी नंबर को 1000 2000 3000 9 कुछ भी, रिमाइंडर 5 से कम ही होगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव सीन हियर. 5 से कम है या ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो सकता है, 4 हो सकता है और 0 हो सकता है, बट 5 भी नहीं होगा. 5 से ऑलवेज लेस देन द डिवाइजर, ऑलवेज लेस देन द डिवाइजर. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड रिमाइंडर ऑफ एडिशन. Remainder of addition. Let's do it in question form. Question is remainder of 72 upon 15. See, one simple way is 72 upon 5. See, 5, 7, 2, 5 ones are 5, 1, 2, 5 twos are 10. So remainder is 2. ये कर सकता है. But दूसरा तरीका है, see 72 को you can break it as 60 plus 12 upon 5. Further it can be, you can write it as 60 by 5 plus 12 by 5. See 60 है तो 0 is the remainder. 5 12s are 60, so 0 is the remainder. Then see 5 2s are 10, 2 is the remainder. So overall remainder is what? 0 plus 2. So that is overall remainder is 2. जो इधर आ गया वो ही इधर आ गया. थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन को इजी कर सकते हैं. जैसे देखो, क्वेश्चन कैन बी लाइक दिस: रिमाइंडर ऑफ 87 plus 38 plus 49 plus 96 divided by 14. सो ये एक तरीका होता है कि भाई सबको ऐड कर लो, फिर उनका 14 से डिवाइड कर लो, रिमाइंडर निकालो. दूसरा तरीका, सी 14 6 are 84, 14 6 are 84, so remainder is 3 here. Then 14 2s are 28, so remainder is 10 for this. 14 4s are 48, 14 3s are 42, so remainder is 7 here. Then 14 84, so remainder is 12 here. 14 6 are 84, so remainder is 12. So now add these remainders. See, this is 13 20 32 upon 14. अब देखो, again remainder 32 नहीं हो सकता, because remainder always has to be less than 14. So 14 से फिर divide करो, 28, 42 are 28, so remainder is 4, so overall remainder is 4. So एक तरीका है कि भाई ऐड करके डिवाइड करने से अच्छा अलग अलग से रिमाइंडर निकालो, रिमाइंडर का सम कर लो, फिर रिमाइंडर जहां तक हो सकता है वो कर लो. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड वन मोर क्वेश्चन, यू विल गेट मोर क्लैरिटी. सी रिमाइंडर ऑफ 99 plus 76 plus 88 upon 10. See, one way is, see 99 plus 76 175, 175 plus 88 कर लो, फिर 10 से डिवाइड कर लो, रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा. Another way is, उतना ऐड भी क्यों करना है? See here for 10 9s are 90, so remainder is 9. 10 7s are 70, remainder is 6. 10 8s are 80, remainder is 8. So 9 plus 6 plus 8, 15 15 plus 8 is 6, 23 23 upon 10, because remainder 23 नहीं हो सकता. So 10 को first से divide करो, so remainder 10 2s are 20, so remainder is 3. So overall remainder is 3. We can simplify it. We'll do questions based on addition, फिर उनका exponents form में भी questions आता है. We'll be doing that. For that you need to have basic understanding कि remainder कैसे निकाल सकता है. Now let's do remainder of multiplication or product. Remainder of multiplication or product. Now say question: remainder of 18 into 30 into 17 divided by 4. रिमाइंडर क्या एक है कि भाई इसको पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर 4 से डिवाइड करो. दैट विल बी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. सी देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, सी दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट 18 by 4 into 30 by 4 into 17 by 4. So see 4 4s are 16, so remainder is 2. 4 28, 4 7s are, so remainder is 2. And 4 14 4s are 16, so remainder is 1. So अब multiplication है तो you will do multiplication. So 2 into 2 into 1, so that is 4 upon 4. So 4 1s are 4, so remainder is 0. So overall remainder of this entire product is 0. That's how we do remainder. Let's do one more. See question. Remainder of 173 into 165, 168, 168 into 136 divided by 15. 15. So 173. 173 15 से डिवाइड करो, सी 15. 173 ones are 15, so 2 3 15 ones are 15, then remainder is 8. So here overall remainder is for this 8. So into say 165, see 15 tens are 150, 15 sorry 168, right? So 15 11s are 165, so 165, so remainder would be 3. And 135, 15 nines are 135, so overall remainder is 1. So now it is what, see 8 into 3 is 24, 24 upon 15, 24 remainder nahi ho sakta, so 15 ones are 15, so remainder is 9. So overall remainder is 9 for this. So like this we can find the remainder of addition, remainder of multiplication products also. Now let's understand one basic concept, that is positive remainder and negative remainder. See, remainder, we have positive remainder and then we have negative remainder. Positive remainder, see you can say sir आप तो बोल रहे थे नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर हो ही नहीं सकता, रिमाइंडर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, रिमाइंडर या तो जीरो हो सकता है या होल नंबर्स ही हो सकता है, बट नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर वी यूज इट टू मेक आवर कैलकुलेशंस इजी. समझ लेते हैं. सी पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर वी नो, से 49 divided by 5. So we just 49 divided with by 5. So 5 nines are 45. Remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. That is positive है remainder. So this is positive remainder. अब इसको ऐसा भी कर सकता है. See 49 divided by 5. So मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ 5 tens are 50. अब ये हो गया सी -1 is the remainder. अब रिमाइंडर नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता, इस -1 add with divisor plus 5 you get the remainder, that is remainder 4. By -1 plus 5 is 4. So negative remainder we use it to make our calculations easy. Let's understand it with examples. So that is with respect to positive remainder and negative remainder. Negative remainder कुछ होता नहीं है, सी ओवरऑल हमें एंड में तो जो पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर है सेम वही आया है, but to make our calculations easy we can use negative remainder concept. Let's understand. See question. 53 into 87 divided by 10. See 10 5s are 50, so remainder is 3 here, into 10 8s are 80, so remainder is 7 here. So then 3 into 7 is 21, so 21 upon 10, so 2s are 20, so remainder is 1. So overall remainder is 1 here. Overall remainder is 1 here. Here we used positive remainder concept. Now let's do it with negative remainder concept. See 53 into 87 upon 10. So now this is 5 tens are 50, so remainder is 3. Now see this I can see 10 nines are 90, I can say remainder is -3. Remainder is -3. अब देखो सी ये क्या आ गया, रिमाइंडर 3 into -3. 3 into -3 is -9. -9 upon 10, so remainder is -9. अब रिमाइंडर -9 तो नहीं हो सकता, सो क्या करेंगे, डिवाइजर को ऐड करेंगे, सो +10, so that is remainder 1 आ गया. So same remainder 1, -9 plus 10 is remainder 1. Now let's see question. 18 into 16 into 17 into 19 upon 5 divided by 5. See, 5 3s are 15, remainder 3 into 5 3s are 15, remainder 1 into 5 3s are 15, remainder 2 into 5 3 3s are 15, remainder 4. So ये हो गया 2 into 8, 8 into 3 is 24, 24 upon 5 is remainder 4. Remainder 4 आ गया. Now let's see question. See, सेम इसी को नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर से कर सकते हैं. सी 18 into 16 into 17 into 19 upon 5 is, see, remainder -2, 25 4s are 20, so I can write it as -2. So here it is 1 and here it is, I can say 2. जहाँ calculations here I can take it as -1. 19 का 20 से -1 कर सकते. So it would be, see, -2, 2 into -1, again either -2, -2 into -2 is 4, minus into minus 4 by 5. So overall remainder is 4. बस थोड़ा कैलकुलेशंस इजी हो जाता है. चलो एक और एग्जांपल कर लेते हैं, आपको और समझ में आ जाएगा इजी कैसे हो जाता है. 12 into 20 into 28 upon 15. See, positive remainder से here it will be 12, right? 15 zeros are 15, 15 zeros are 0, so बचेगा जो 12 into, see, 15 1, so either 4, and here it would be 15 ones are 15, so remainder is 13. फिर इनको मल्टीप्लाई करो, 12 into 13 into 4, that is 780. 780 upon 15, फिर उसको डिवाइड करो, 780 15 से पूरा कर जाएगा, so remainder is 0. We are not doing the calculations, just understand. Now let's do it with negative remainder concept. See, 12 into 20 into 28 upon 15. See, इसको I can simply as -3, and here it is 4, and here it is into -2. So minus into minus is plus. So 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 upon 15. So 15, sorry, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Oh, sorry, either 5 है ना. So it would be 30. So 30 15. So overall remainder is 0. Right? बस थोड़ा कैलकुलेशंस इजी हो जाता है विथ नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर कॉन्सेप्ट से. That is with respect to negative remainder and remainder of multiplications. Then we will do one important concept, that is simplification rule. Simplification rule. See, very important because questions are asked from this area in UPSC. बस वही रिमाइंडर ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में और चीजें इजी करने के लिए we simplify it further. See, let's see this question. This remainder of 12 into 20 into 28 divided by 15. ठीक है, नॉर्मल तरीके से किया हम पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करके. अब इसको सिंप्लीफिकेशन यूज करते हैं. सिंप्लीफिकेशन में क्या करेंगे, सी रेदर देन डूइंग, सी इसको, सी ये 5 3s are है, इसको 5 4s are. So basically what we are doing is divide above इस एक्सप्रेशन को and below is 15 with 5 से डिवाइड किया. So now it has become, तो मेरे पास ये इक्वेशन बन गया 12 into 4 into 28 upon 3. बस ये 3 से इजी है. 3 4s are 12, so remainder is 0 into 3 remainder is 1, 4 कटेंगे, so 3 28, so 27, so remainder is 1, and सॉरी रिमाइंडर 1, सी 0 into 1 इज 0, सो ओवरऑल रिमाइंडर इज 0, और इजी हो जाएगा। एंड इधर जो 5 से डिवाइड किया तो इधर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर 0 into 5 इज ऑल्सो रिमाइंडर 0। सो फर्दर सिंप्लीफिकेशन से और इजी हो जाता है प्रोडक्ट कैलकुलेट करना रिमाइंडर। सो लेट्स डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन, यू विल गेट मोर क्लैरिटी। सी लेट्स सी दिस वन क्वेश्चन, that is remainder of 12 into 16 upon 15, 12 into 16 upon 15। सिंप्लीफिकेशन से मैं क्या करूंगा, सी ये दोनों 3 टेबल में आता है, सी 5 3 टेबल में आता है, 12 3 टेबल में आता है, सो 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are, so I have divided above and below with 3, so now I am left with this expression, that is 4 into 16 upon 5। so now 5 ये -1 into 5 3s are 15, so remainder 1, so -1 into 1, so that is -1 upon 5, so माइनस तो नहीं हो सकता, so -1 plus 5 that is 4। अब देखो 4 है तो इसको डिवाइड किया तो नीचे ऊपर डिवाइड किया तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई भी करना पड़ेगा, 4 into 3 is 12, so 12 is the overall remainder। so सिंप्लीफिकेशन रूल में वन थिंग वी नीड टू, जो नंबर से डिवाइड किया अबव एंड बिलो उसको टुवर्ड्स द एंड वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई। सो इधर 3 से डिवाइड किया, सो 4 आया रिमाइंडर, दैट इज नॉट द फाइनल रिमाइंडर, उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो द 12 इज द फाइनल रिमाइंडर हियर। लेट्स डू क्वेश्चंस, यू विल गेट मोर क्लैरिटी। See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2020. What is the remainder when this expression is divided by 100? That is 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75 divided by 100, divided by 100। अब देखो इसको हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते नॉर्मल वे में, पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करके भी नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज मान लो नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर यूज किया, ये -49 आ जाएगा, ठीक है, ये 73, राइट, तो फिर मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना, फिर नहीं तो पूरा प्रोडक्ट करो, फिर 100 से डिवाइड करो, वो भी मुश्किल है। सो हियर कम्स द रोल ऑफ सिंप्लीफिकेशन। सिंप्लीफिकेशन देखो, पहले मैं 5 से इसको काट सकता हूं, इसको काट सकता हूं, सो 5 20s are 5 20s are and 5 1 and 25, so 5 15s are 75। so I have divided above and below with 5 first, फिर 20 से भी थोड़ा मुश्किल है, तो फिर 5 से I can again cancel it, so 5 4s are, then 5 3s are, इसी को कर दिया, so again I have divided above and below with 5। अब 4 से कर सकता हूं, बट मेरे को और सिंप्लीफाई करना है, तो मैं 2 तक लेके जाऊंगा, सी आई डिवाइड इट बाई 2, सो 2 2s are, एंड इसको कर सकता हूं, सो 2 31s are 31, so I again divided above and below with 2, so simplification हो गया। अब now I am left with product as this one, that is 51 into 27 into 35 into 31 into 3 divided by 2। फिर इस पे मैं नॉर्मल अप्लाई कर सकता हूं, सी 2 रिमाइंडर इज 1, सी रिमाइंडर इज 1 हियर एंड रिमाइंडर इज 1 हियर, 2 31, so remainder is 1 here into 1, remainder is 1, so overall it is 1 upon 2, so it is remainder 1। क्या ये आंसर रिमाइंडर 1 है? नहीं, क्यों? जो जिनसे डिवाइड किया उनसे मल्टीप्लाई भी करना है, सो 1 into 5 into 5 into 2, so 5 5s are 25, 25 into 2 is 50, 50 into 1 is 50, so overall remainder is 50। so overall what is the remainder when it is divided by 100? That is 50, option A is the answer। तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अब देखो 2020 में क्वेश्चन आया, 2023 में फिर से क्वेश्चन आया। दिस इज क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन सीसैट पेपर 2023 अगेन। See, what is the remainder when this expression is divided by 100? So 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96 divided by 100. Divided by 100. So simplification. अगेन इसको देखो, अगर नॉर्मल मेथड से किया 15 13 ऐसा जाएगा, फिर मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट डिवाइड इट विथ, so 5, see 5 20s are, so I am dividing it with 5. So 5, it can be 5 19s are, yes 5 19s are. Then see 5 5 4s are, so this 5 17s are. Then further I will divide, so 2, so divide with 2, so divide by 2, and इधर इसको divide कर लो 2 से, that is 48 are. So अब ये हो गया 17. So now see 2 17 है तो रिमाइंडर 1 आ जाएगा. ये 87 रिमाइंडर 1 into see 89 is remainder 1 into 91 is remainder 1 into 19 is remainder 1 and 48 if you divide it by 2 remainder is 0. अब remainder 0 एक बार आ गया, so into 0 into all thing is 0, so overall remainder is 0. अब 0 into 5 into 5 into 2 by 0 into anything is 0, so now here the overall remainder is 0. So option A 0 is the answer. Now let's see next question. See, this is question. What is the remainder when this is divided by 15? 1001 into 1002 into 1003 into 1004 divided by 15. Divided by 15. Now here common, see, I can divide this 15 with the 3. So divide with 3. So 3 5s are 15. And इसमें अब देखो 999 है, that is divided by 3. So 100 divide by 3 नहीं होगा, 1001 divide by 3 नहीं होगा, but 1002 is divided by 3. So 1002 I can divide with 3. This is 334 times. 3, see 1002 divide with 3, see 3 3s are 9, 1 0 3 3s are 9, 1 2 3 4s are 12, so remainder 0, so 334 times. अब मैं इसको 5 से कर सकता हूं पूरा एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन को. सो 5 से लेट्स डू इट. सी 5 ये रिमाइंडर 1 होगा एंड ये 335 से कटेगा, सो दिस इज रिमाइंडर 4. Then here it is remainder 3 and here it is remainder 4. So that is 1 into 4 into 3 into 4 upon 5. So that is what? See 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 upon 5. So 5 here remainder is 45 कटेगा, so remainder 3 आएगा. So overall remainder 3 है नहीं, क्योंकि ये डिवाइड बाई 3 इसको भी तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 3 into 3, so that is remainder 9. So remainder 9, ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो 15 से डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर 9 तो हो ही सकता है. सो रिमाइंडर 9 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. तो इधर ऑप्शन 3 भी होगा. बहुत लोग क्योंकि ये कर लिया रिमाइंडर 3 आ गया तो जल्दी में वो करेंगे, सो इसीलिए स्पेशली नोट इट डाउन. तो बाद में जो इनसे डिवाइड किया ऊपर नीचे उससे मल्टीप्लाई भी करना है. So you will get remainder 9 as answer. Now let's do one more question. See, remainder when this is divided by 50. देखो कर लो, इधर ही कर लो. See, 50 से 5 से कटेगा 50. So 50 5 से 10s are and 975. Sorry, 5 से 5 10s are 975 upon 5. See 5 1s are 5. See 4 7 5 9s are 45. 2 5 5 5s are 25, so remainder 0. So this is 195. 195. Then ये कटेगा 5 2s are, फिर ये कटेगा 5 195, 5, 5 3s are 15, 4, 5, 5 9s are 45, so 0, so that is 39. अब देखो ये, see 2, see remainder is 1 into, see remainder is 1, remainder is 1, and 39 is also remainder 1. So overall हो गया ये remainder 1. So 1 into, अब इससे 5 से डिवाइड किया, 5 से डिवाइड किया, 2 बार 5 से डिवाइड किया ना, so 5 into 5, that is 25 is the overall remainder. So 25 is the answer. Simple. Now let's see remainders of numbers with powers. Type 1, we will deal with type 1. See, simple. See, what is remainder when 65 to the power 99 is divided by 11? Divided by 11. So it can be written as 65 into 65 into 65 into so on into 65 99 times divided by 11, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. देन ये क्या है, सिंपल मल्टीप्लीकेशन ही तो है. सो 11 6 आर 66, so remainder is -1, here -1, here -1, here -1, so that is what, nothing but -1 to the power 99 times 99 upon 11, say -1 or -1 to the power even is -1 into -1, so that is 1. -1 to the power odd is -1 to the power 1, वो -1 ही होएगा. So -1 to the power odd number है 99, so this is -1 upon 11. So remainder is -1, remainder -1 नहीं हो सकता, so it would be -1 plus 11, so that is 10. So overall remainder is 10. So option D is the correct answer. Now let's see next question. You will get more clarity. See, what is the remainder after dividing 37 to the power 1000 divided by 9? So that is 37 into 37 into 37 into so on into 37 upon 9. So it is 9. 9 4s are 36, so it is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So 1, right, into 1. So that is 1 to the power 1000 upon 9. So that is nothing but 1 to the power 1 is 1. 1 upon 9 is 1. So remainder is 1. So remainder is 1. Option A is the correct answer. Now let's see next question. Since this is question asked in UPSC CDS exam 2025. What is the remainder when 17 to the power 25 plus 19 to the power 25 is divided by 18? So this is 17 into 17 into 17 into so on into 17 25 times divided by 18 plus 19 into 19 into 19 so on 25 times divided by 18. So this is -1 -1 into -1 into -1. So -1 to the power 25 times upon 18 plus, see here it is 1. So 1 into 1. So 1 to the power 25 upon 18. See, -1 to the power 25 is -1. -1 upon 18 is remainder is -1 plus, see here 1 upon 18. 1 upon 18 is remainder is 1. So 1 plus -1 is 0. So overall remainder is 0 when this is divided by 18. Now let's see next question. This is question asked in UPSC CDS exam 2021. CDS में इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन पूछा है, CSAT पेपर में भी आ सकता है. Both exams are conducted by UPSC and उधर पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन CSAT में आते हैं. Type of questions. What is the remainder when 27 to the power 27 minus 15 to the power 27 is divided by 6. So this is 27 into 27 into so on 27 minus 15 into 15 into so on into 15 upon 6 upon 6. So 6 4s are 24. So that is 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 27. See, here is 6 2s are 12. So here also 3 into 3 into so on into 3. So this is what? 3 to the power 27 minus 3 to the power 27 divided by 6. ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा 0. So this is 0 upon 6. 0 upon 6 is what? Remainder is 0. So 0 is answer. Option A, 0 is the answer. Now let's see next question. See, this is again very good question asked in UPSC CDS exam 2020. Same question भी CSAT में आ सकता है. Same as it is. क्योंकि अच्छा question है. What is the remainder when the sum, say 1 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5 plus 5 to the power 5 is divided by 4. अब देखो 1 to the power 4 5 divided by 4 remainder is 1 plus see 2 to the power 5 is nothing but 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32. See 32, see 4 8s are 32. So here it is remainder 0. So it is remainder 0 I am writing. Plus see 3 to the power 5 upon divided by 4, that is minus 1 to the power 5. So minus 1 to the power 5 is what? Minus 1. So this is minus 1 divided by 4 plus see 4 to the power 5, 4 to the power 5, overall remainder is 0. सब में 0 0 0 कटेगा, so remainder 0. Plus see 5 to the power 5, see that is 1 by 4 and overall remainder is 1. Now see 1 plus 0 plus see here it is see minus 1 upon 4 is minus 1 is the overall remainder but नहीं हो सकता, so minus 1 plus 4 हो जाएगा. See this would be minus 1 plus 4, so that 3 is the overall remainder here plus remainder 0 plus here overall remainder 1 by 4 is remainder 1. So A हो गया remainder 1. So remainder 0 upon 4. Okay. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So remainder 5 upon 4. So 5 upon 4 is overall remainder 1. So overall remainder here is 1. 1. Option B is the answer. Again, very good question. Important question. Eh? So that is it. Now let's do next type of questions. That is cyclicity method. Is type 2. Type 2, that is cyclicity method. Cyclicity method. A very important method. Questions have been asked based on cyclicity method. Okay, remainders of numbers with power cyclicity method से example एक कर लेते हैं. Say there is number say when 2 to the power 49 is divided by 7. Is divided by 7. What will be the remainder? So here हम इसमें ऐसा नहीं जा सकते सी 2 इंटू ऐसा भाई फिर -5 आएगा या तो 2 आएगा रिमाइंडर, तो नॉर्मल मेथड से नहीं जा सकता. सो फॉर दिस वी विल गो साइक्लिसिटी मेथड. सी दैट इज पहले 2 to the power 1 divided by 7, that is 2 divided by 7. So overall remainder is 2. By 7 zeros are 0, remainder see इसको 7 divided by 2 ऐसे ही करेंगे ना. 7 zeros are 0, so overall remainder is 2 आएगा ऐसा. Then 2 to the power 2 divided by 7, that is 4 upon 7. So overall remainder is 3. Sorry, overall remainder is 4. Overall remainder is 4. Then 2 to the power 3 upon 7. See, 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 upon 7 is remainder 1. अब देखो remainder 1 आ गया. Then 2 to the power 4 upon 7. Upon 7. That is 16 upon 7. So 7 2s are 14. So remainder आ गया 2. Then 2 to the power 5 upon 7. That is 32 upon 7. So 7 4s are 28. ये आ गया remainder 4. Then 2 to the power 6 upon 7. So this is 64 upon 7. So 7 9s are 63. So कटेगा remainder 1 आएगा. Remainder 1. अब देखो. See 2 to the power 3 में remainder 1 आया. 2 to the power 6 में remainder 1 आया. That means after every 3 we are seeing remainder 1 और हर इधर भी remainder 2 हर cyclicity में repeat हो रहा है. Remainder 4 हर cyclicity में repeat हो रहा है. So that means here we can take, see, हमें remainder 1 से deal करना easy हो जाएगा. So we can take cyclicity of this expression as 3 because 3 में we are getting remainder 1. हर फिर 3 के बाद फिर remainder 1 आ जाएगा. फिर 3 के बाद remainder 1 आ जाएगा. Now अब ये 2 to the power 4 है. इसको अगर मान ले 3 से डिवाइड कर लिया. See 49 divided by 3. See 3 1s are 3. So 1 9. 3 6 are 18. So remainder 1. So that means इसको ऐसा लिख सकता है 2 to the power 3 into 16. See 3 into 16 is 48. 48 into 2 to the power 1 divided by 7. ये लिख सकते हैं. अब इसको यही है. See 2 to the power 3 to the power 16 into 2 to the power 1 upon 7. अब देखो इसका पूरा एक्सप्रेशन 2 to the power 3 upon 7. 2 to the power 3 upon 7 remainder 1. So इसको we can say remainder 1 into 2 to the power 1 upon 7. ये बचेगा. So now so 2 to the power 1 upon 7 is what? 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 is remainder 2. So remainder 1 into remainder 2. So that is overall remainder is 2. So the expression remainder of 2 to the power 49 upon 7 is remainder 2. Remainder 2. So cyclicity से use करके हमें इस cyclicity so इसको power 3 2 to the power 3 में break किया. We are getting then फिर इसका 1 हो जाएगा remainder. फिर इसका अलग से कर लो तो you will get remainder. Let's do one more question. You will get more clarity. Say and is 3 to the power 53 when divided by 5. What will be the remainder? Say cyclicity. First 3 to the power 1 upon 5 कर लो. See that is 3 upon 5 is remainder 3. Then 3 to the power 2 upon 5 that is 9 upon 5 is remainder 4. Then 3 to the power 3 upon 5 is 27 upon 5 that is remainder 2. 5 5s are 25 remainder 2. Then 3 to the power 4 upon 5 that is 3 to the power 4 is 81, right? 81 upon 5. So that is see 5 20s are 80. So sorry 5 कुछ 80 तो आएगा. So remainder 1. So remainder 1. So here cyclicity is what? 4. So cyclicity is 4. So हर 4 पे see 3 to the power 8 upon 5 का भी क्या होगा? Remainder 1 आएगा. Then so 3 to the power 53 इसको 4 में break कर सकते हैं. So divided by 4. So 53 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4. 1 3 4 3s are 12. So remainder 1. Remainder 1 है. So that means इसको लिख सकता है 3 to the power 4 into 13 into 3 to the power 1 upon 5. See ये remainder 1 है. ये 3 to the power 1. ये 4 see 3 to the power 4 to the power 13 upon 5 into 3 to the power 1 upon 5 आ जाएगा. और इसका 3 to the power 4 का क्या remainder? 3 to the power 4 by 5 is remainder 1. So remainder 1 to the power 13 is remainder 1 only. So 1 into 3 by 5 remainder is 3. So 3 into 1 is remainder 3. So overall remainder of this expression is remainder 3. Now let's do few questions. You will get more clarity. UPSC questions पूछा है इससे. Now let's see this question asked in CSAT paper 2021. If 3 to the power 2019 is divided by 10, then what is the remainder? See, 3 to the power 1 divided by 10. See, 3 by 10. So remainder is 3 here. 3 to the power 2 divided by 10, that is 9 by 10. So 9 by 10, we can write it as remainder minus 1. 9 minus 1 नेगेटिव कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करके जब माइनस 1 आता है, so cyclicity would be, see, 2 into 2. So double, so 2, 3 to the power 2 में आ रहा है, so इसको 2 times multiply कर दो, so that is 4 would be the cyclicity. 4 पे remainder 1 आएगा. Let's check that. See, 3 to the power 3 upon 10, this is 27 upon 10, so that is remainder, you can say 7. Then 3 to the power 4 upon 10, that is 81 upon 10, so you get remainder 1. So that is cyclicity is 4 is the cyclicity. So 4 cyclicity है, so 4 से divide करो 2019 को, so 4 5s are 20, then 0 19, दो नंबर लाना है तो 0, so 4 4s are 16, so remainder is 3. Remainder 3, so it can be written as 3 to the power 4 into 504. See, 4 into 504, 4 upon 10 into 3 to the power 3 upon 10. So this can be written as 3 to the power 4 to the power 504 upon 10 into 3 to the power 3 upon 10. अब इसका 3 to the power 4 upon 10 का तो हो गया remainder 1. So 1 to the power 504, so remainder is 1 into 3 to the power 3 is 27 upon 10. So 27 upon 10 is remainder 7. So 1 into 7 is overall remainder is remainder 7. Option C is the correct answer. Now let's see next question. This is question asked in CSAT paper 2023. 2023 का बोलते हैं ना मुश्किल पेपर है. अब देखो, what is the remainder if 2 to the power 192 is divided by 6? See, 2 to the power 1 upon 6 is remainder 2. 2 to the power 2 upon 6 is 4 upon 6 is remainder 4. Then 2 to the power 3 upon 6, that is 8 upon 6 is remainder 2. Then 2 to the power 4 upon 6, that is 16 upon 6. 6 2s are 12, so remainder 4. Then 2 to the power 5 upon 6 is 32 upon 6. 6 5s are 30, so remainder 2. And 2 to the power 6 upon 6, that is 64 upon 6 is remainder 4. अब देखो remainder 1 तो नहीं आ रहा है, but एक पैटर्न है. When it is odd number, we are getting remainder 2. When it is an even number, remainder 2. See, odd है remainder 2, odd है remainder 2, even है remainder 4, even है remainder 4. So 2 to the power 192 is what? 2 to the power even upon 6. So we get remainder as even है तो we are getting remainder 4. So that is answer D. अगर इसी 2 to the power 191 upon 6 पर remainder पूछ लेता, so that would be remainder 2. So 2 would be the answer. Now let's see next. So this is question asked in UPSC CDS 2024. That is 3 to the power 255 divided by 28. What is the remainder? See, 3 to the power 1 upon 28 is remainder 3. 3 to the power 2 upon 28, that is 9 upon 28 is remainder 9. Then 3 to the power 3 upon 28 is 27 upon 28 is remainder minus 1. अब जब remainder minus 1 आता है cyclicity से, cyclicity would be double. So that is 3 into 2, that is 6 would be the cyclicity. नहीं देगा तो 3 to the power 6 upon 28, if you do it, you will get remainder 1. So 6 is the cyclicity. -1 आता है तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली से कि भाई इसका डबल होगा वो साइक्लिसिटी होगा. सो 6 is the cyclicity. So 6 divided by 255. So 6 fours are 24 and 1 5 6 twos are 12. So remainder is 3. So this is, it can be written as 3 to the power 6 into 42 into 3 to the power 3 upon 28. So this is what? It is 3 to the power 6 to the power 42 upon 28 into 3 to the power 3 upon 28. See, 3 to the power 6 is, cyclicity is 1. So 1 upon 42 is what? 42 into 3 to the power 3 is 27 upon 28. So 27 upon, see this is 1 into इसका होगा -1. So -1. So this is overall remainder is -1. अब -1 तो रिमाइंडर नहीं हो सकता. सो -1 नहीं है तो क्या करना है, उसका नीचे जो डिवाइजर होता है उससे ऐड करना है. सो -1 प्लस 28. सो दैट इज 27 is the remainder. 27 is the remainder. So again very good question. क्योंकि रिमाइंडर -1 आएगा ओवरऑल जब साइक्लिसिटी यूज करेंगे. तो उसके बाद बहुत लोग ये मिस करना, ऑप्शन में -1 दे देगा. बहुत लोग क्या है कि ये दिमाग नहीं लगाता, रिमाइंडर माइनस में नहीं हो सकता है तो 28 ऐड करना भूल जाता है, तो दे विल एंड अप डूइंग इनकरेक्ट. या तो 1 लगा देंगे, -1 नहीं हो सकता, ये कुछ होगा ये करके. तो 27 इज द आंसर. इसीलिए ये क्वेश्चन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ लेट्स डू नेक्स्ट. Now let's see these different type of questions. See, what is the remainder when 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power so on, 10 to the power 100 is divided by 6. See, 10 to the power 1 plus 10 to the power 2 plus 10 to the power 3 plus so on plus 10 to the power 100 divided by 6. What will be the remainder? अब देखो ये पावर एंड एडिशन दोनों मिक्स होके आया है. सी 10 to the power 1 that is 10 upon 6, remainder is 4. 6 ones are 6, remainder is 4. Now 10 to the power 2 that is 100. 100 upon 6, see 100, 6 ones are 6, 4 0 6 6 are 36, remainder is 4. 4 remainder है. So इधर भी, so if we take, see this is remainder 4 here, and for this also we are getting remainder 4. See plus 10 to the power 3 का कर लेते हैं. So then वो पैटर्न आ जाएगा. See 10 to the power 3 is 1000. 6, see ones are 6, 4 0 6 6 are 36, then 4 0 6 6 are 36. So remainder 4. Yes, so we are getting a pattern here. So that is remainder 4. अब इसका भी remainder 4 हो जाएगा. Because pattern is, see 10 to the power 1 4 है, 2 4 है, 10 to the power 3 भी 4 है. So now we are got what? See 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus so on plus 4 divided by 6. अब 4 कितने बार आ रहा है? This is 100 times. 100 times 4. So that is 4 into 100 upon 6. So that is what? 400 upon 6. So 400 upon 6 का रिमाइंडर क्या है? So 400 6. So 6 6 are 36. So 4 0 6 6 are 36. So remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. Option C, remainder 4 is the answer. Now let's see next question. इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन CSAT 2025 में भी क्वेश्चन पूछा है. See 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 7777 plus so on plus 7777 7700 times 7. ठीक है, डिवाइडेड बाई 8. तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा? दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन. अब देखो, सी 8 आई विल गेट रिमाइंडर एज -1 हियर. नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर ले लेते हैं. देन 77 डिवाइडेड बाई 8. सी 8 9s are 72. So remainder is 5 here. Remainder 5 है. Then 777 divided by 8. See 9s are 72. See 5 7. So 8 8 sevens are 56. So that is remainder 1. So here it is remainder 1. अब देखो अलग अलग रिमाइंडर्स आ रहा है, लेट्स सी और क्या आता है। देन 7 7 7 करो, सी 8 8 nines are 72 and 5 7 8 sevens are 56, then 1 7 8 twos are 16, so I am getting remainder 1 here. So अब देखो इधर भी रिमाइंडर 1 आ गया, 5 sevens का भी इफ यू चेक सी, बट ये इधर 7 डालो सी 1 फिर 7 आएगा, सो 2s are 16, सो रिमाइंडर 1 आएगा. सो आई एम गेटिंग ए पैटर्न, सो दैट इज सी रिमाइंडर -1 प्लस 5 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस सो ऑन, कितने टाइम तक 100 टाइम्स तक, 100 सेवंस तक, 100 सेवंस तक. सी अब देखो सी 1 7 2 7 3 7 से 107 तक, so that means see these are 98 sevens है, 98 ones, 98 ones divided by 8. See that means -1 plus 7, sorry, plus 5 plus 98 upon 8 ठीक है. So this is what, see 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 plus 98, that is 102 upon 8. So 102 upon 8 कर लो, so 102 upon 8, see 8 ones are 8, see 2 2 8 twos are 16, so remainder is 6. So remainder is 6, overall remainder है, that is remainder 6. Option A remainder 6 is the answer. Option A remainder 6 is the answer. ऐसा इस तरीके में एक पैटर्न आएगा, यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट पैटर्न, देन फिर ओवरऑल रिमाइंडर निकालना है. लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन asked in CSAT paper 2025. See 9 to the power 3 plus 9 to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 5 plus 9 to the power 6 plus so on plus 9 to the power 100 divided by 6. अब देखो 9 to the power 3 is what, 9 into 9 into 9 upon 6, यही है. सी 6 है तो ये रिमाइंडर 3 आएगा, इंटू ये भी रिमाइंडर 3 इंटू 3, so this is what 3 to the power 3, that is 27 upon 6, 27, so 6 4s are 24, so remainder is 3, so overall remainder here is remainder 3. Let's check फिर 9 to the power 4, 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 upon 6, यही हो रहा है ना. सी हियर रिमाइंडर 3, सी हियर अगेन 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, see this is what 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 is what 81, so 81 upon 6, 6 81 upon 6, so 6 81 divide करो, 6 ones are 6, so 2 1 6 3s are 18, so remainder is 3. yes, ये देखो रिमाइंडर 3 इधर भी आ गया. अब 9 to the power 5 का भी रिमाइंडर 3 होगा, पैटर्न है. इफ यू वांट यू कैन चेक, वी हैव ऑलरेडी चेक, सो इट इज 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3 3, इधर भी 3 होगा, सो दिस इज व्हाट, सीन 3 से शुरू हो रहा है 100 तक, सो दैट मींस आई विल गेट प्लस 3, कितने टाइम्स आएगा, 98 टाइम्स 3 आएगा डिवाइडेड बाय 6, सो 98 टाइम्स 3 है, सो दैट इज 3 into 98 upon 6, so 98 into 3 is what, 294, 294 upon 6, so divide कर लो, 6 294, so 6 4s are 24, 5 4 6 9s are 54, so 0, so that is overall remainder 0, overall remainder 0. Option A is the answer. ठीक, इस तरीके क्वेश्चंस में पैटर्न आएगा, उससे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. Easy type of questions. Now let's do next model which is very important. अभी तक क्वेश्चन नहीं आया CSAT पेपर में, बट आ सकता है. See these questions are important when the number 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 99 is divided by 8. See, we know divisibility rule of 8. See, divisibility rule of 8 is what? See, 8 is 2 to the power 3. That is, last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. 3 digits to be divided by 8. Then 16 is 2 to the power 4. Last 4 digits to be divided by 16. ऐसा? So it combines divisibility rules and remainder concept. So becomes very important. अब देखो question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so on till 99 is divided by 8. What is the remaining? See, 8 is last 3 digits. So last, it would be 98. So last 3 digits is 899. So 899. So divided by 8. See, 8 ones are 8 and 9. 8 ones are 8. 1, 9. That is 8 twos are 16. So remainder is 3. So what will be the remainder? So इस entire expression को भी अगर 8 से divide कर लिया तो you will get no need to check all these things. Last 3 का check कर लिया. So remainder is 3. 3 is the answer. Now let's check next question. You will get more clarity. See, this is question asked in UPSC CDS 2024. तो important है. UPSC के नजर में है इस तरीके questions. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on 10 till 99, 100 is divided by 16. 16 is what? Last 4 digits. 4 digits to be divided by 16. So 9100, 9100 divided with 16. See, 16 fives are 80. 110. Then 16 six are 96. Then says 140. Then 16 eights are 128. So remainder is 12. So 12, what will be the remainder? 12 will be the remainder when this entire expression is divided by 16. सब check करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now let's see next. फिर देखो इधर we have gone to next level. अब इधर we are given 1, 2, 3, 4 so on till 71 digits divided by 8. What will be the remainder? Last 4 digits, 3 digits वो हमें दिया ही नहीं. हमें वो भी find out करना पड़ेगा. कैसे? अब देखो. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, so on till 71 digits तक. अब देखो ये हो गया 9 digits. अब these are 9 digits. 1 to 9 are 9 digits. Now these digits to be how many? See, 71 minus 9, that is 62 digits. अब 62 digits से ये हर नंबर 2 digit नंबर है. So 62 divided by 2, you will get 31. So 31 will be the last number. Sorry, 31 numbers are there. So 31 is not the last number. That means you need to have 31 numbers. See, 62 digits है. 62 digits means 31 numbers आएंगे. So 10, 11, 12. So ऐसा 31st number क्या होगा? 2 digit number. So that is, see, 9 plus 31, you will get 40. So 40 will be the last 2 digit number. Because see, 31 numbers तक जाएगा. So ये 31 numbers होंगे. So 9 numbers already हुआ. So 9 plus 31, you will get 40. So 40 देखो फिर 39. So 8 से divide है. Last 3 digits you will take. So that is 940 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8. So 1, 4, 8 ones are 8, 6, 0, 8, 7s are 56. So remainder is 4. So remainder 4 is the answer. Again, इस तरीके का अगर आपको और दिमाग लगाना है तो UPSC can give this kind of questions. या तो आपको 31 numbers आ गया, so you can count 31 numbers क्या होंगे, तो there you will find reach till 40. तो simply you can add 9 plus 31 जो भी आता है So now let's see next question. You will get more clarity. See, now solve this. See, 1, 2, 3, 101 digits. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so on till 101. So अब देखो 9 digits. Now this is what? 101 minus 9. That is 92 digits. 92 digits होंगे. अब 92 digits कितने नंबर का होंगे? 92 by 2, because ये सारे 2 digit numbers है. So 92 by 2 is what? 51. Sorry, 46, right? 46. 92 by 2 is 46, right? So 46 numbers. So 9 numbers plus 46 कर लो, you will get 55 numbers तक. So 55 will be the last number. Then 54 will be the, say 16 है last 4 numbers. So 5455 divided with 16. So 16 threes are 48. That is 6, 5. Then 16 fours are 64. And remainder is 1. 5. Again you need to 1, 5. So 5 is the 1 5 है तो फिर 15 is the remainder. So option D, 15 is the answer. So these are new type of questions. Again पूछ सकता है UPSC in CSAT paper. So with this we are done with remainder topic. See you in the next class. Bye.